Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture on grammar. In my last lecture on grammar, I was talking about prepositions. So in this lecture also, I will continue the same topic, prepositions. So let us start. The noun or pronoun which is used with a preposition is called its object. Okay, it is in the accusative case and is said to be governed by the preposition. There is a cow in the field, एग्जाम्पल के लिए. ओके, काव कहाँ है? फील्ड में. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, a preposition may have two or more objects. For example, the road runs over hill and plain. Two objects, two or more objects, as I said, hill and plain. Okay. Next point, the preposition for, from, in, on are often omitted before nouns of place or time. For example, we did it last week. Last week time है, but we omitted. I can't walk a yard. Yard है, but we omitted preposition. Wait a minute. Minute time का, but we omitted preposition. Okay. Next. Now we will talk about correct uses of prepositions. First, beside and besides. Beside, by the side of. Beside means by the side of. Next to, or yeah, at the side of. Besides means in addition, more, plus, including. Okay. For example, we built a house beside the factory. Okay. Next example, I speak English besides Tamil. ओके, बिसाइड्स का यूज है, बिसाइड का और बिसाइड्स का. ओके. सिंस एंड फॉर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सिंस एंड फॉर. सिंस indicates point of time. For indicates period of time. For example, we have been here since 4 o'clock. Point of time. We have been living in Jaipur since 1984. Point of time. For का example, we have stayed here for 2 weeks. 2 weeks period है, इसलिए period for. They have been playing for 2 hours. 2 hours period है, इसलिए for का example. Okay. Next, among and between. Among is used for more than 2 persons or things. Okay. Between 2 persons or things. Among more than 2. Between 2. Okay. Example लेते हैं. She is standing among the crowd. Crowd में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. More than 2. Between का example. There was an argument between the 2 girls. 2 girls. So between. Okay. In and at. In large place, countries and towns के लिए in यूज करते हैं. In indicates an area within enclosures boundaries. Okay. At small towns, small places. At indicates a definite point within an area. Okay. For example, he was at his desk in the building. At his desk point, definite point. Building is a large area. Okay. We use at when we are talking about what happens there. For example, he was at work. Okay. Next, at and by. At shows when we use these prepositions for time. So at means exact time. By means point of time. For example, I went there at noon. Exact time बताया. Okay. Point of time है he ought to get back by tomorrow. Point of time tomorrow. Okay. In and into. In things or persons in rest positions. When we use these prepositions for place. In means things or persons in rest position. रखी हुई स्थिर. Into things or persons in motion. For example, Madhvi was in the room. In the room. Madhvi resting position में. Next, one more example. I walked into the theater. Into what? Walked. Walk means moving position में. I walked into the theater. Okay. Next, on and upon. On things वो in and into वाला same. On and upon, in and into वाला same rule लागू होता है. On things on or persons at rest. Resting position में. Upon things or persons in motion. Okay, जैसा in resting position, into moving position. ऐसे on resting position, upon moving position. Okay, for example, Padma was on the dais, resting position में. The book is on the table, resting position में. लेकिन he jumped upon the wall. Upon यूज कर रहे हैं या jumped moving position में. या the cat jumped upon the table. Upon यूज कर रहे हैं cat के jumped moving position में. Okay. And after and in for time. After the end of a period in the past. Okay, end of a period in the past में जो period का end है उसका. और in the end of a period in the future. After past में end of period, in future में end of period. For example, she returned after a week. Means returned past. और future में we will finish the book in a week. Future period. Future में the end of a period in the future. So we will finish the book in a week. Sorry. Next, till and to. Till means time. To place के लिए. For example, they went to the market. Market place है. They went to the market. Place के लिए. To आया. Till I waited till Sunday. Time के लिए आया. I waited till Sunday. Sunday time के लिए आया. From and since. From and since में both indicate a point in time. दोनों ही point of time in time. From the time at which an action starts. From shows the time at which an action starts. Since always used with reference to past time. Since हमेशा past time के लिए यूज होता है. और from the time at which an action starts. Example लेते हैं. Padma will be there from 7 in the evening. From the time at which an action starts. From आया. Since का Padma has been in the house since yesterday. Yes, yesterday past आया है. तो Padma has been in the house since yesterday. Since आया है क्योंकि yesterday यूज किया है. ओके, थैंक यू. कुछ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करें. थैंक यू.